Time now for the business day. The International Monetary Fund, IMF, is warning organizations like the Fair Trading Commission to be aware of anti-competitive behavior. The multilateral agency published a research paper today which found that big companies are getting bigger while smaller companies are being stifled. Andrew Laidley reports.
The International Monetary Fund is sounding the alarm that small firms are struggling to survive. The fund notes that dominant firms are emerging even stronger while smaller rivals fall away. The IMF says this has created an absence of strong competitors for dominant firms, which could undermine recovery from the COVID-19 pandemic. IMF Managing Director Kristalina Georgieva also noted that the rise of mergers and acquisitions, especially by dominant players, is contributing to the uncompetitive trend. With that in mind, the IMF is urging competition authorities like the Fair Trading Commission to be more vigilant than ever before. The fund is also suggesting policy changes to level the playing field. For example, the IMF warns that the review of a deal should cover all relevant cases, including acquisitions of small players that may grow to compete with dominant firms. The Fair Trading Commission is also being encouraged to more actively enforce prohibitions on the abuse of dominant positions and make greater use of market investigations to uncover harmful behavior without any reported breach of the law. The authorities are also being asked to pay closer attention to non-compete clauses in some retail and fast food job contracts, which also make it harder for employees to move to better paid jobs. The IMF says this is especially relevant for low-skilled workers. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $147.08. The Canadian dollar sold for $117.61. The pound is going for $204.30, while the euro ended the day at $174.97. The JC Index lost 1,077 points today, and the Junior Market Index is down 13 points. Among the winners were GMMB Group 7%, Sterling Investments, SSL Venture Capital, Siboney Group, and GMMB Group 7.25%. On the losing side were Everything Fresh, Caribbean Assurance Brokers, Dolphin Cove, Medical Disposables and Supplies, and Palace Amusement. And that's the business day. When we come back, news from overseas.